Did your app stop opening after a system update? You click Netflix or YouTube and nothing happens. Black screen crash or stuck loading. Do not worry, this is a very common issue and you can fix it fast. Step 1. Restart your smart TV properly. After updates, temporary bugs can block apps. Solution. Turn off your TV using the remote. Unplug the power cable, wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears system glitches. Step 2. Check internet connection. Apps will not open without stable internet. Solution. Go to settings, then go to network, then select Wi-Fi, reconnect to your network. If needed, forget the network and connect again. Use 5 GHz for better speed, or use Ethernet cable for stability. Step 3. Update all apps. After system updates, old apps may stop working. Solution. Go to App Store, then go to My Apps, then select Update All. Update each app fully. This fixes compatibility issues. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Corrupted cache is a major reason for app failure. Solution. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select the app. Select Clear Cache. If problem continues, select Clear Data. Note: you may need to log in again after this. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Wrong time can block app servers. Solution. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time. This is a hidden but powerful fix. Step 6. Free up storage space. Low storage causes apps to crash or not open. Solution. Delete unused apps, remove large files or recordings. Keep at least 1 GB free space. Step 7. Disable VPN or DNS settings. Some apps block VPN or custom DNS. Solution. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Advanced Settings. Turn off VPN or reset DNS to default, then restart your TV. Step 8. Factory reset as last option. Use this only if nothing works. Solution. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Reset. Confirm and wait for restart. This gives a clean system. Bonus tip: reinstall problematic apps. Sometimes reinstalling is the fastest fix. Solution: delete the app, restart your TV. Install it again from the App Store. If your apps are still not opening, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps and your smart TV apps will open smoothly again without any issues.